you want to know how to create group on Snapchat with only you inside, you've come to the right place. So let's open our Snapchat, and if you open our chat folder here, we can find that I have a group where is no members, only I am here. So as you can see, there is no members inside. So how can we create the same group? How can you do the same? Basically, the steps are quite simple, and all we need to do is just to simply click on right on this blue icon in the right bottom corner here. Then just click on new group, and firstly we need to choose at least 2 guys we'd like to create a group with, but don't worry, we'll fix it a little bit later. So after that we need to click on chat with group, and as you can see, this group chat was successfully created. Now all we need to do is just to simply hit on the avatar in the left top corner on this icon with all the members. And from this page here, we need to remove all the group members inside. So how can we do this? Basically, just simply click, hold our finger, and then just click on remove from group. Then just click on remove once more, and the same thing with this guy here. Click, remove from group, and then just remove once more. So now everything is done. Basically, now we have a group where we this solo, only one person inside of this chat. So in order to make it happen, that it won't be deleted, we need to write something. So let it be like hi, for example. So now we have this chat here where only we are inside. So as you can see, now I have 2 of them. So we can use it as a notes or for some other stuff. So this is a way of how can we create with group with only you inside. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.